Hi friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Wow, check this out. Who's that? Whoa, it's Racing Stripes. Whoa, who's that? It's Bone Shaker. So cool. Let's see if we can find some more. Whoa, look at that pretty purple one. It's Pure Muscle. Who's that one on the ground? It's Avenger. Whoa, that's super cool. It's got cool flames on the hood, or on the top. Uh-oh, it looks like Demo Derby crashed. Number 68, Demo Derby. Look at this cool blue one. It's Aqua Stallion. Whoa, look at 32 Degrees standing up, doing a wheelie. Wow. Uh-oh, Dragon must have crashed. It's upside down. Oh, it's pretty cool looking. Who's this one? Do you know the name of this one? I think it's Radical Racer. It's a pretty cool looking monster truck. Whoa, Megalodon. How's it going? Uh-oh. Looks like Big Kahuna crashed. Whoa, that's a pretty cool looking truck. Uh-oh, Race Ace is upside down. Wow. Whoa, who's that pink one? It's Full Charge. Hey, Blue Thunder, what's going on? That's such a cool looking truck. Whoa, check this one out. It's Boogie Van. It's purple, pink, white, and orange. It says Boogie Van on the side. Whoa, that's super cool. What's that one? It's upside down. It's Salvager. Whoa, look at that cool engine. Who's that? It's Skeleton Crew. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Oh no, Pirate's Curse was on its side. Wow, look at that cool hat on top. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. We found Pirate's Curse, Salvager, Blue Thunder, Big Kahuna, Full Charge, 32 Degrees, Dragon, Skeleton Crew, Bone Shaker, Pure Muscle, Radical Racer, Demo Derby, Boogie Van, Aqua Stallion, Race Ace, Racing Stripes, Avenger, and Megalodon. How many monster trucks did we find today? We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We found 18 monster trucks today. That's a lot of monster trucks. We'll see you next time, friends.